is where you want to put the sand.
Yeah. In this area.
It's pretty deep now.
Very, man. Very deep. I like to be maybe 20 inches or maybe 2 feet below the sewer pipe. Sewer pipe is there.
Oh, you need to go 2 feet under?
Under the sewer line, yeah.
Ah, okay.
Because then I know my white
The
pipe.
top or the bottom of the sewer line?
The top of the 2 feet below this point.
Ah.
Roughly. See this sewer line, you see the roots? That's all going for the sewer. Alcatraz is a good shovel.
Yeah.
With all these roots growing for the joint. Remember the same roots I showed you on the camera? On the pictures, I showed you pictures of the roots. Oh wow. 1931, first time. First time. See, they put cement, they put it, cement right there. Oh, you see that? The roots. Do you have that flashlight, Patrice?
Hmm?
You have a flashlight. You can throw it. Yeah, throw it. Thanks. So, remember I told you about 2 feet, 3 feet outside the house, then clay. I was talking to you yesterday. Look at those roots, man. I can smell sewer in the water. This is always, so that's always leaking. You smell that, it's not a nice smell.
Yeah.
And you will always see worms. I always like to see worms there on the joints.
you've been there with your camera.
Huh?
When you had the camera, you've been there.
That's there.
Ah, okay.
Okay. So tomorrow I'll probably continue digging. Put the sump in here as best I can.
So the bottom need to go of the sump, need to go 2 feet below that. Yeah.
Roughly. Yeah. Because you have a base of gravel, 5-inch base, 6-inch base of gravel for the sump.
Ah, okay.
You know, and then I want, you know, the pipes going into the sump higher than the pipes going out. So, yeah. Okay.
So when the sump is there, after you can put the
What?
your tube there.
Yeah, the new ones. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
The new ones will
Perforated, yeah.
come there, perforated, solid,
Yeah.
perforated,
Connected, yes,
and
the
solid. It's a never dull moment with this carry on. Okay, that's it for today. Okay, let's clean up, Alan. You finish? Yeah. Get all the paddle, all the shovel, everything inside. Alright, man, that's a wrap for today anyway. Alright boys, so that concludes our first kind of portion of this install, really, the sump install. First portion of the sump install. So the earlier footage showed me digging all that out and exposing that sewer line. And yeah, it'll be 7 feet deep plus another 6 inches of a gravel base below this base. This is the base here, and then inside here then is two risers inside there. I like to have my caution tape up, sitting out on the street, caution tape out on the street, poly on the pile of dirt. So Alcatraz, chilling. I put on that digging bucket. Made a big difference. Now I know I should have been using the digging bucket from the start, but the grading bucket just makes it so much faster, especially with that soft stuff, with that topsoil. But once you get down into that hard pan, it's game over. Like, you have to switch over to the digging bucket. That's basically it. They can still walk in for now. I don't know if they're even going to be able to walk in once I'm done, because yeah, that pile's going to get a lot bigger. And then caution tape up along the neighbour side here. We've had a very good neighbour who's let us use all of this. This is all covered in piles and piles of dirt. Caution tape up, redirect the gutters. I like to redirect the gutters. Keep that water out of the trench. That's about it. Alright. Okay, so stay tuned for part 2. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, there's many more interesting footage to come. I can guarantee you. Punching into that sump, tying into the sewer line, replacing a section of the sewer line. Yeah, so there's a lot of interesting stuff to come. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. Okay, bye bye.